Hello friends, how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this delicious, yummy-licious fried fish. Okay, my lovelies, we are going to start by cleaning and cutting the fish. And correct me if I'm wrong here, guys. I have noticed that when I cut my fish, when it's halfway tall, it comes out smoothly than when I leave it to defrost all the way. Comment down below if you think I'm right and if you've noticed it. As you can see, I had a hard time cutting it because it had ice in it. Yeah, it wasn't fully defrosted. But all the same, I still got a nice shaped fish. And cut the rest. And we'll go ahead and wash them. Time to wash, my lovely people. While I wash, I make sure I take out all the dirt, like all the intestines, all those things I didn't take out earlier. I also make sure I try as much as I can to take out the thick blood clot that is always by the bone, the middle bone. Yeah, I don't like to eat that, so I always try to take it out. I'm going to clean one head and show you guys how I did it. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, why don't you go ahead now and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the like and notification bell. That way you will be notified first whenever I upload other videos. When you're done with all that, give your fish a very nice rinse, maybe once or twice, so that your fish can be as shiny as mine. After all that, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze one large lemon on the fish and just nicely rub it on all the fish. After that, keep it for like 2-3 minutes, at most 5 minutes, and then rinse again. Then time to spice. So I'm gonna add salt. I'm gonna add some Maggi biryani seasoning. Add some curry. Add a little bit of parsley flakes. a little bit of black and white pepper, some onion, and fish seasoning, fish spices. And after all that, I'm gonna give it a nice mix. Then I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Yeah, this is gonna give it a little breaded and crispy skin. After that, give it a nice mix and cover. I'm gonna cover it and leave it for about 20 minutes so that it marinates well. And then after that, I'm gonna deep fry them. Guys, if you've never tried frying your fish this way, go ahead and try it. I promise you, you will enjoy it. It has that breaded crispiness in it that you will love. Look at that, guys. Okay guys, if you watch the video to this level, how about you go ahead and hit the subscribe, the like, and also the notification bell. Do not forget to leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about my fried mackerel. This way I know how I did and see if you tried it and liked it. This is the final output, guys. I promise you this was so good. You will love it too, I'm sure. Try it. Yes, lovely people, I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Join me there, let's discuss what we will be making next. See you in my next video. Bye bye.